Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to do a basic product lightning setup in Blender with 3 source lightning. Okay, let's say you have this ball, let's say it's a product, and you wanted to give it a proper lightning for a render. It's a quite complex process to move all the lights. So in Blender we have a plugin, a built-in plugin, that is going to help us with this process. To install it, we go to Edit, Preferences, and in there we search 3 because its name is Tree Lightning. So we click it, we check it. I have it checked, but you will have it uncheck it surely. And that would be all. Don't need to reinstall Blender or close it and open it again. And then we go to add, well, you click that object, we go to add 3-point lightning. Let me change this to see the light better. And here we can change a lot of parameters. The base energy of the light, the height of the light, the instance, and then each light individually, its angle, and that's it. It's quite simple, right? Well, I hope this has helped you out in your project, and see you in the next tutorial.